sir. Abdul sir. Good morning. Yeah. Tomorrow discuss, sir. Today we'll start the topic. Please observe. Here and go to CD/var log. Here and go to CD/var log. Karthik. CD/var log. Don't skip the classes, sir. Mr. Aman and friends. Got the recording, right? Got sir. I know your name only. Usha Kaltek. Ushaka Vivek. CD/log. Here you go to CD. Done? Observe here, no? Yesterday we discussed about the only one file. Not came from lot of time. Recording notes are here. Huh? Messages file we discussed it, sir. Messages what I told. It shows the what are the events, what are the things happen in the Linux server. Each event, each record, it recorded in the messages file. Yes or no? Any doubt here? Any doubt? Any concern? Login inactive, coming inactive, right? So you click here, data operator restart. Then you need to enter the observe. So if you putty got inactive, one second. If you're getting a putty as inactive like this, let me show you. Just keep in memory. ಇಲ್ಲಿ inactive ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ. Correct sir? If you're getting a like inactive, one second. If you're getting inactive, no need to open a new session. You can click here. You can getting an option of restart session. When you click on restart session, you get a login as. Then you can enter root and enter the password. Getting my point? Done, madam? Observe now. Adana, please. Super. Messages file. What is the event occur in the Linux server? Anything happen in your Linux server, each event, everything will recorded into the messages file. It can be anything. It is everything recorded in the messages file. General log events. Getting my point, sir? No. DMI decode command yesterday, day before yesterday discussed. It shows the hardware details of your server. It shows what are the hardware present in your server. But what are the present hardware, whether it's working fine or not, I need to know. Correct, sir? You may be having a lot of hardware in your laptop, but which are the working, which are the not working, you should know, right? Correct? You may connect the hard disk, you may connect the, sometimes cable won't work if I connect. Cable, if I connect here to laptop, it may not work. Hardware is connected, but it's not working. Correct? D message, there is a file, sir. D message in the file. DMI decode shows what are the hardware present in a server. D message will show what all the hardware got identified, which all the hardware having error, which got identified during booting of your server. DMI decode present in a server. Pen drive connected, it present, but whether it's working or not working, that has a D message. D message identified which are the got a connected hardware, it working fine or not. Working fine or not, that record will be present in the D message. Getting my point, sir? Correct? But here we are not concerned about which all the hardware working, we are concerned which all the hardware not working. So that means error. We are concerned only about the error. We are not concerned about which all working correctly. Correct, sir? Only if error is there, we need to correct it. Correct? No. Let's discuss on that one. How to identify it. Grep, error, D message. If you're not getting any line, then there's a no issue in my hardware. Grep error, D message. If you're not getting any entry, then there's a no issue. Ready? All done, sir? Ready? No. Now, sir, another file is there, yeah? There's another file called as a boot.log and on file is yeah? Boot.log. File is there, sir? Open that file. Cat boot.log. Cat boot.log. Everyone should do, sir. Everyone doing? You're getting some entries right here. Have you seen these entries anywhere? Yellade entry nodidira? Huh? During starting of the server, you get okay. You're getting stop also okay, you get. Boot.log, cat boot.log, sir. You are in Clashware log, right? There's a file called boot.log. Open that file. Come on. Boot.log file contains a list of services which got started, which didn't got started. When starting a server, I need to know which are the services which got started during booting of server, which are the services which didn't got started during booting of server. You will be getting all okay only. I'll be getting one file. That's why you will be getting all okay only because all the services got started. I installed on third-party application, it was not able to getting filed. Filed at the bandaga, we need to see why it got filed. Then we need to troubleshoot. Clashware log, what are the file existing? That is only for verification and proof. Whether working, not working. Messenger file, general log, D message bando, hardware log details, boot.log bando, which are the services got started during booting of your server, which are the services didn't got started during booting of your server. Yes or no? Which are the things getting filed that I need to troubleshoot it. Got my point, sir? Sure? Now, sir. It's another one file called as a mail log. Mail log in the first term. Another file called as a cron, sir. Cron and the idea? Yes, sir. Deepak. How will you remember your friend's birthday? Calendar and reminder will keep. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಲಿನಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ cron tab. What you are having alarm, reminder, laptop also, mobile also can be automatically powered off by settings, go to settings. Sleep time and the idea. Mobile, laptop also we can make it automatically shut down. At particular 12 a.m. if set means automatically shut down. Mobile also has sleep time between 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. Mobile should be shut down. Automatically should be on at 8:05. Yes sir? ಅದೇ ತರನೇ cron command. I have cron tab. Actually concept is cron tab that we are going to discuss for complete, or please understand, keep your mind here. That we are going to discuss for complete one class. In future topic, cron tab only separate topic we will discuss. Since I want to explain this cron log, what are the scheduled tasks? What is the alarm, reminder? What are the alarm, reminder? Whether worked correctly or not. Whether it worked correctly or not, for identification we have cron log. But I am going to do one example to get a better clarity. Same thing we are going to do in future for complete one class, around 15 examples. Around 15 examples we are going to discuss in future. Since I want to, if I tell directly cron log as a recorded of the scheduled task, you will be in the confusion only. You won't get better understanding. So I will do one example to get a better clarity. I repeat once again. What is the reminder? Anything automatically server need to be performed. Alarm why you keep, sir? Why you keep alarm, sir? Any answer is okay for me. Don't be so serious. I want only the good communication. So I am not expecting all the right answer. Why you keep alarm? Reminder. Because instead of checking time regularly, automatically it should pop up. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ at a particular moment, particular operation need to be done. Correct? Your name? Vishak. Vivek. Vivek is my manager. Vivek is my very much angry on me. He like Aman and anyone in Yemen, sir? Sorry. Okay? He like Aman and Yemen. He put that both of them in normal shift. He put me in night shift. Even if you put night shift, no issue for me. But he not get any work out. But I should wake up. I should be regular 12 a.m. to 9 to 6 p.m. Only one work is given to me. Midnight 2 a.m. I need to execute the df-s command. I need to save that output a file. Only 1 minute command. That too you want on exactly 2 a.m. only. You put at the condition. Yes, sir. Midnight 2 a.m. I need to execute df-s command output. I need to save that output in file. And you want to capture things he had out on me. You want to capture the date command out. This screenshot. These are the things he has done with me. Correct, sir? Vivek. Oh, good do. Okay. Correct, sir? This thing is given to me. Instead of doing manually this thing, alarm ಇಡ್ತೀವ ನಾವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ತರನೇ in cron tab we can schedule it. A particular 2 a.m. automatically server only should execute the command. Server only should save the output to file. Morning 9 o'clock I wake up, I send a mail to you. You want to send mail 9 o'clock morning, but you want to capture command 2 a.m. midnight. Yes, sir. That we are going to do now. Correct? How to automatically perform a particular action at particular moment without any manual intervention of the user. Alarm adelva. Reminder we keep your friend's birthday. Automatically pop up. Yes, sir. Nowadays Mintra everyone informing you. Mintra, Facebook, Instagram, everything will inform you. Correct, sir? That will be. Now, observe now. To keep reminder, what are the things we required? To keep reminder, what are the things we required? Anyone, sir? Yes. Full. I record all the components. What is name? Okay, name. Okay. Huh?
Name of the person.
Okay. Date. Okay. Observe, sir. Yes. Date, time. Any other thing? Okay. What do you want? First, sir. Please observe. Any issue, madam? Charge is not king. You can sit here, right? Always charge issue. You can sit here only. Minute. First option is minute, sir. Please observe. First option is minute. Next one though, hour. Date of the month. Next month though. Next day of the week. And job name. Observe, sir. Please observe. First star is for minute. Minute vary from 0 to 59. Okay, fine. 60. Second one the hour. Hour vary from 0 to 23. Correct, sir? Next one the date of the month. 1 to 31. Howda? Next one the month. Vary from? Yes, sir. Next, day of the week. 0 for Sunday, 6 for Saturday. 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday, 0 to 6, sir. This is going to do separate class future. Since I want to show you one detail, I am going to do. Getting my point, sir? Next one, the job name. This I am going to schedule. This is the component we are using for keep reminder, alarm clock, what are the things. How's that? Same thing, I have a server. Observe madili. What's the date now? Server timing, my server timing. Only I am going to do. Future, since I want to show you an example, I am going to do, sir. Future, we go to do 15 example. Everyone in the class. One class completely on cron tab only. Now, my server timing 04:48 July 17. Server timing, not system timing. Okay. Now I want to run a uptime command. I want to run a uptime command at 451. Yeah, 448 is yeah. 451 ಗೆ automatic uptime command run ಆಗಿ one file ಅಲ್ಲಿ save ಆಗಬೇಕು. Correct? Which is that file? Let me take a file of /tmp July 17.txt. File doesn't exist. File ilva? Sure, sir. This file automatically should get created. In this file, uptime command output should be there. For that, I am going to compose. Please observe. Would like to schedule uptime on July 17, 4:52. Okay, and save output to a file. The file will save avek. Let's compose it. We'll do slowly. Sorry. Minute 52 na. Hour. Pick up, sir. 04. Next date of the month. Yavado. Next July. How to mention? 7. Day of the week, it can be anything. If I have a condition, if July 17th falls only on Wednesday, I want to schedule it. Other condition idre Wednesday adre enaithu 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, 3 for Wednesday. I am going to mention 3. I don't have that condition, day condition. I want only date condition. So I mention star. It can be any. So uptime command greater than correct? This file illa nodibekandre. This file not there. Correct? Automatically created now. 450 agida. Now I'll take 453, sir. 52. Let me do. What's the time? Let me do 453, sir. 53, sir. Time will go away. Okay. Now, how to schedule it? We have a command called as a cron tab -e. Cron tab -e for edit. You already had done for last batch. I'll delete this entry. I'll schedule it newly. I'll take this entry, copy, vim command tarane, save madide, escape shift colon WQ. I'll execute date command. Not there. Okay, till 4:53 we scheduled it. Need to wait for 1.5 minutes now. Okay. Later I'll change it to 4:52 only. Okay. Simply we need to wait. 451:44. Verify ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 452 ಗೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾರಾಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡನ್ ಮೈ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ I done full in now. I schedule contact, I can sleep now. Correct, sir? I can schedule that. I can schedule for mail sending also. That also I'll tell you later. Correct, Vivek? My first manager like you only, face and all. Very strict. He always targeting me only. That's why I'm targeting you now. Same, sir? Now, you can see the output of the file now. The uptime come output of? Yes, no? Yes, sir. Clear, sir? Yes, sir. This is the thing. This was scheduling, but we are not considering. We are not discussing topic of scheduling. We are discussing about the file called as a cron. This file. Cron tab for scheduling. Whether scheduled task worked correctly or not. To identify this file. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ cron tab schedule ಮಾಡೋದು we have separate topic. Since I want to show you, since directly if I tell you won't get any clarity. So only I done one example. Correct? Whether schedule ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು cron table set ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ whether sent correctly or not, whether executed correctly or not, I need to find out. For that cron log. To verify it, I am going to show you. Recent ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ schedule ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ uptime command schedule ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Style command ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್? Bottom. Recent log will be in the bottom only. Style cron uptime ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ schedule ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು. Uptime /tmp July 17. Is there or not? If it not execute, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ time exceed ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ. So there should be some record. Either it can be success, it can be failure. Success ಕಾರಣ ಏನು error ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. Error ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ error ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. So I can easily identify why it not got executed. Suppose uptime mistake ಮಾಡಿದ command upti given, then it would have come a command not found error. upt ಅಂತ schedule ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು command not found ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ error. So I can easily identify what is the wrong I done. So I can correct it. Understand my point? Yes? No? Got my point, sir? No. Now we have another file called as a mail log. Yesterday, today, maybe tomorrow, first off, maybe little bit theory, sir. You should get adjusted. Only this is the only little bit boring session for me also. Little bit theory. Okay? Please. Now, but you should know all are important. There is a file called as a mail log. How will you normally send a mail, sir? Which are the things you're going to use send a mail? No, nowadays. Gmail and Outlook. Gmail and Outlook are normally used by the. You'll get a messages when you draw any money from ATM. You'll do Google Pay. Correct, sir? You open Instagram account immediately within 1 second you will get a on mail to your mail ID. Congratulations. Thanks for registering the account. Who is sending that? Sir? Automation. Oh. That is the point. Correct? You getting idea when you draw any money, you transact any money, you transfer Google Pay, Phone Pay, you get immediately message, sir. One time password ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ that valid for 30 seconds. Who can send that much fast? Nobody can, right? Yes sir, no sir? It's coming from server. It's coming from the server. How? Particular condition means this message should go. If you deposit amount, you get a different message. If you take the amount from bank, you get a ATM withdrawal ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Credited, debited. Yes sir, no sir? Both are different, not a common message. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. For each condition, same normal Instagram account if you open, sir. Instagram account you register first time. Immediately VT website you register first time or KSRTC. You within 1 second or 2 seconds you get a mail. Your login ID this. Who can send to that? Not this much mail. Big mail. Correct, right? To compose, even if you know the topic, to compose one mail, if I normally me or any people working, you want to compose at least you require minimum 15 minutes if you want to send. You need to analyze. It's important mail. You know the topic, what is it? Then also I need to compose 2 to 3 times. I need to verify it. Yes or no? Correct? It will take minimum 15 minutes to send one mail. Correct, sir? These all the things will happen. How it is coming that message? Because of the server. Because of the from server, this particular condition meet as email ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕು. This condition meet as email. This condition meet this. If the NEFT, one mail. If RTGS, one mail. If Google Pay transaction, one mail. If normal ATM withdrawal, one path, one message. Different message only getting, right? Whenever bank account, what you getting? Yes or no? Yes sir. Yes sir. Getting? No. How to send a mail from the server? For person to person communication also, we can send a mail from the server. It's not compulsory, but in professional, in some offices, we for person to person communication, we are going to send from the Outlook only. Only server automatically particular mail should be sent. It's not a schedule. It should automatically perform this action. When anyone draws the amount, automatically send a mail. When you register the account, you should automatically send a mail. For automatic, you should perform an action. For that only, we are going to use the server. But what is the mail syntax for sending a mail? I am going to show you. I am going to execute command also, but mail won't go since I am not registered with my domain. To send on mail, sir, from the server, first you register your server to godaddy.com. You need to buy the domain. Like gmail.com is there, right? Like that, I need to buy my domain with the correct. I need to pay amount. From there, I need to do. Then you can send them. But I can bring one day my office laptop. I can show you. But I'm going to execute command completely. But mail won't go. Sir? Correct? Now, what is the syntax for sending a mail? I'm going to conclude. Please observe here. Let me remove this. Mailx is the command. Hyphen. What is the important thing to sending mail? Mail ID is required. Any apart from that? Subject, body. It's not mandatory, but to sending mail. Only mail ID is the important thing. What is the syntax? Mailx, subjects are really. Then email ID. Mail ID. Then part of the body. This I am going to compose it now. Please understand. Mailx, let me send a good morning. These are good morning. Mail ID. Let me mention my mail ID only. Praveen Kumar. Okay. These are things. But it is body of the mail. Correct? For that, I'm going to create one file now. /tmp body.txt. All. Welcome to Linux world. This is the mail. Okay, sir. What is the thing I added in this file? This should be added as a body. What are the things I added in this file, right? That should be the, so I need to mention the path of the mail. File is sir. That's body attached. Body. It is inserted as a body. Understand my point, right? This is the way. Correct? Suppose if you want to add the attachment. Attachment, sir. For attachment, we need to use the option -a. -a for attachment. So I will copy the, I create another one, 2 files. att1.txt, 10, att2.txt. I'll take this is one file. -a/tmp attachment 1, -a/tmp attachment 2. Sir, getting my point, right? Okay, it's fine. Mailx -s subject -a for how many attachment you are doing. That meant -a we need to mention. -a attachment 1, attachment 2, and mail ID and body of the mail. Got my point, sir? Understanding? Attachment is not mandatory. Attachment is not mandatory. Mailx -s subject mail ID kotto, lesser than symbol, you need to mention the path of the body. Got my point, sir? Suppose if you want to add the carbon copy and BCC, CC matte BCC idya mail alle? Yes or no? Yes, can you tell me the difference CC and BCC? CC and BCC, what's the difference?
CC is a copy and is being the person who is added. BCC is they can't see the person.
Very good. Okay, sir. CC for carbon copy. I want to send a mail to Riyaz. He's my teammate. But what the thing I'm sending my mail, my manager also should be aware. He should not cross question me again. So I add in CC. I'm sending to Vivek. My manager should not know. Riyaz should not know that I'm sending to you. That will be BCC. Getting my point, sir? That how to do it. Here you will going to mention -C, carbon copy mail ID. What is the mail ID you want to mention? -BCC, email ID. Got my point, sir? Mail X, subject, attachment, -carbon copy mail ID, BCC mail ID, last one the 2. 2 mail ID, then body of them. Getting my point? Yes? No? Yes, sir. Clear, sir? I'm going to execute this command, but mail won't go. Mail won't go. Mail won't go, but my command will get executed. I'm showing you. Mail X, -S. Okay. I'm getting some message called send email. If the command is wrong, sir, I'll be getting as a command not found. To prove you whether my command is right or not, I'll remove this. Now I'm getting a it's a wrong command. That is right command. I'm not getting command not found. Correct, sir? But mail won't go. Correct? To verify, why I explained this thing? Because of mail log. Mail log is What is mail log? What we're having? For whom and all server has sent a mail, whether it's successfully delivered or not. We have scheduled around, we have to send a lot of mails from the server, around 10 to 15 mails. In that, one user like Karthik, right? Your name? Aditya. Aditya asking me why I didn't got the mail. At the time, I need to verify, right, whether mail has been sent correctly or not, whether I missed any one word in mail, whether I done any mistake in mail ID or not. For that, we have a mail log. Mail log having records of which all the mail have been successfully sent, which all the mails were not successfully sent. So I want to check this particular mail ID sent or not. Grep kotto, a mail ID kotto nodudre aaytu. Aditya kalsira nodbeku nanu. Aditya mail ID gottu. Grep Aditya mail ID, paste mail log. It show mail not sent. Recipient is wrong mail ID. Then I can correct my mail ID. Understood my point, sir? Reading? Yes? No? Understood, sir? No. Now I am going to synchronize the mail and cron. Mail and cron synchronization that you going to help me out. That you people going to help me out. I'll tell on condition, you people going to suggest me. You are not going to tell. Okay? Done. Now, when a C drive crosses 95%, automatically email need to be sent to me and Riyaz and Sridhar. Sridhar, right? Sridhar. Praveen, Riyaz, Sridhar. 3 people email need to. Whenever we 3 are the owner of that server. One particular server is there. Whenever the server C drive utilization greater than 95%, email need to be sent to these 3 people. How we can do it? Kindly explore the ideas. Kindly tell me your suggestions. Understand my question? When a C drive crosses 95%, email need to be sent for these 3 people. What are the things the idea running in mind? You can tell me. Wrong, right, you leave it. Sir, no laughing today. Yes. Should I? Whenever C drive crosses 95% utilization, email need to be sent to three people, Praveen, Sriraj, and Riyaz. Yes, sir. Tell me, please. Any idea is okay for me, sir. Please try now. Who is telling? Tell me. Okay.
Conditions are.
Okay, shell scripting is ready. Apart from that, what is it? At least you got the point.
Okay. Using the DFN equivalence, we have to
Write the
apply
condition.
the
Okay.
and we have to address in that. To cron.
So,
Cron.
cron. Good.
And for email,
For cron, what you will do?
cron tag.
Okay, what's the thing you want to schedule? We don't know when it will communicate.
You have run the script.
Correct, Alva? Run the script. That will go to check cron. ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾರಿನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೀಟ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು 4:30 4:50 3 hours ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಸೀಟ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ 95% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸೀಟ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಮ್ 95% then I can't keep on checking also correct it should automatically do but he got the point good now I'll tell you. At least I got the 1% answer. What are we going to do? First, I'll open the notepad here. First, what's the concept here? Whenever C drive crosses 95%, you should send a mail. How's that, sir? First, I'll ready. I'll write in normal English only. DF-H. If C drive written as a shell scripting, we're going to do in future. When C drive crosses 95%. Okay, sir. Then send email to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೇಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾನ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಎಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಮಂತ್ ರಿಯಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ anything subject no this is subject I'll add it not subject body correct sir and ending the if condition this is script normal shell script correct English sir normally you take as English no need to worry about shell scripting no just understand normal English are written sir when C drive crosses 95% it should send a mail ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇವಾಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ when executing now right now C drive is greater than 95 or not it will check but I don't know when my C drive become 95%. How's that sir? So we need to use the cron. We need to use the cron. Alarm for every 1 minute we can set. ಅದೇ ತನ cron every 1 minute set ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ನ every 1 minute ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಪ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನ every 1 minute ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ನ every 1 minute ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ when it exceed 95% it going to send a mail yes no got my point sir correct for that I going to create this and make it this as one script here script.sh ಇದನ್ನ ಇವಾಗ cron ನಲ್ಲಿ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಬೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು minute hour day of the month day of the week every minute star by 1 every hour every day every month every day of the week got my point yes or no when it become 95% I don't know so it should be running for every 1 minute when it become 95% it should automatically send a mail it can become midnight 2 a.m. also it become 3 a.m. also it became after 15 days also I don't know so only I schedule for every 1 minute every hour every day every month every day of the week ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅವಾಗ ಮೇಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾನ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಎಸ್, ನೋ? Sure, sir. Sure. Super. Now we are having another file called as a secure. This is very, 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 very important. This I will be facing issue daily also, every weekend also. Okay, that's the problem. Secure. What is the secure file? Whenever you enter wrong password, you will get on prompt invalid username and password. How's that, sir? You'll get on pop-up message, invalid username and password. How that message is coming? That's the thing we want to do. Like anywhere data is there in online, what's the data using? Every data is coming from the server only. Yes or no, sir? No. This normally will face, sir. One user, things like Riyaz. Riyaz is the normal user. He went for 15 days vacation and came back. Normally people who go for vacation only that. They forgot their password, but they are not ready to agree. They will tell us, I am entering right password only. We are suggesting them to reset the password. They are not ready to click on forget password. I am entering right only. We should approve, right? I am taking right. we should prove them whether I enter right password or wrong password. We will come with screenshot by this file. I am going to show you. I am going to show you everyone going to do. This means everyone will do. Correct, sir? Intentionally I am enter right wrong password. It will record it. But I will take that detail and send to him. Then he will realize I enter wrong. That's the thing I am going to show. Getting my point, sir? Now, what is the secure file contain all the authentication log details? Authentication log andre whenever user login, right? For login and logout, complete details are captured in the secure. Message bandu general log, D message bandu hardware log details. Correct? Cron bandu schedule log details. Mail, whether mail has been successfully sent or not. Boot or log for all services details. Secure for authentication, very, very, very. Whenever user not able to log in, first thing we are going to check whether user enter right password or wrong password. That I am going to clarify. Please understand, sir. I am going to log in as a Abhi. Intentionally, I am going to enter the wrong password now. Make you verify wrong password. This is a normal user. He is Riyaz now. He will complain to me. I am the root user. I need to verify whether I enter right or wrong. I'll go here now. Tail command bottom alle baradella recent log. So I'll give tail instead of cat tag and cat will I'm tail secure. Yen banto? File password authentication file. How that was, sir? This is the record. By checking this detail, I'm going to send a mail to him with a screenshot because I also don't know his password. I can verify only from the server. Now I'll enter right password. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now enter right password. Now you see the entry. ಈಗ ಟೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂತು? Accepted password for Abhi. This is the proof. How to verify user enter right password or wrong password? Secure log. Secure log contains all the authentication log details. Whether user enter right password or wrong password. I want you people to try now. You have a normal user. You have a root session now. Open duplicate session. Login as a normal user. Enter wrong password. First time enter wrong password. Come back to root session. Type secure. File password ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರೈಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Enter wrong password first time. Then go to root session and verify it. Type secure. Go to root session. Enter wrong. Open duplicate session. Login as a normal user. Enter wrong password. Go to root session. Type secure ಮಾಡಿ. File password ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then again go to normal user, enter right password, again verify type secure, you get access to the password. Yes, sir. Okay. I'm going to tell you. In user admission topic, I'm going to tell you. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, Friday, we'll study. So the Saturday or Sunday, one class I'm planning, I'll update you on Friday. Okay, Saturday or Sunday, any one day. Any one day. Last week I missed 2 classes. More the time you're going to give, that much helpful for you. Okay. Don't plan. Anyone working here the Saturday? Can lift your hand. Anyone working Saturday? Anyone working Saturday? What time? Huh? In morning 9 o'clock only. 9 to 10. 9 to 10. Only one. Sunday no, right? Ready? All verified second lift your hand. Then you madam. It is not working. Why? Switch it in ಮಾಡಿ. Switch it to normal user, enter again, try to log in. Yesterday it was working. No, log in once again. No? Right, sir? Parent done, right? Clear? All done? Abdul now, please. Come back, sir, here. All done? Clear? Clear, sir. It's very important. These are compulsory. It can be question also. User not able to log in. First thing we're going to verify is whether user enter right password or not. That can be done in secure log. Secure log contain all the authentication log details. Ready? No, sir. That is the important log files here. Let me see here. You'll notice, sir. Whether you're having or not having, I don't know. You'll be able to see same logs details with the dates, sir. Here. Dates is there. Yes, sir. You may be having, not be having. That you leave it. You can concentrate on my server. You having a date, sir. Mail log -date, cron log -date. Yes or no?
Yes.
The file without dates. Please understand, please. File without date, that is the current log. File with dates are old logs. Another meaning ಏನಂದ್ರೆ mail log is, I'll take this example. This mail log, this file is available having the details till 2024-07-07 till July 7th only details are available. If the file doesn't having a date, that is the current live log details. Which having a date, that means this valid log is valid for this date. Understood my point, sir? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, again go to CD slash. Morning, no, sir. Again go to CD slash. Now, go to ls-intia. Done, sir? Here you are able to see one folder called as the etc. How's what is the etc folder? When you install software in Linux, Windows, where you get installed, sir? Windows is really installed as a default again. Here it is, sir. Chora get it, C drive where? Deepak. C drive where it getting installed? Not very, doesn't. Program files, right? C drive, you not install any software till now. If you not install today, go and install on software, uninstall and install. You can pass it apart. C program file. Correct, right? What are the permanent, anything happening in Linux, Windows laptop, software, all the permanent changes happen, C drive, program file. Adhe tara Linux alli etc. What the C drive functionality in Windows, Linux, flash it. For all the permanent changes, all configuration changes will happen only in the one directory, Linux, that is etc. Under etc, lots of files are there. Each file has a separate function. But directory is etc. For all permanent changes and system configuration changes will happen only in the only one directory, that is /etc. But we already referred two files in this thing. Cat etc password. Cat is shadow. Verify two files, no sir. After user creation, after setting password. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that, we are getting a lot of files. As the concept grows, just this concept what I am explaining, this only to explain the what is the functionality of the directory, not the explanation of any other thing. Correct? Understanding, sir? Under etc, you can able to see lot of files. etc init tab use ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. None level. That are the permanent only. Correct? Under /it all the permanent changes and system configuration changes will happen only in the /etc directory in the Linux server. All clear? Any doubt? Any confusion? Sure, sir? Yes or no? Got my point, sir? No. Still we have another three important directory. That is proc, boot, and sbin and urs user sbin. That we going to complete by tomorrow first off. Tomorrow first off we are going to complete that one. Then we can start with our major topics. User administration. Once user administration started, or maybe by tomorrow. Tomorrow is start. By next Friday, user administration, group administration, both will be completed. We can easily tell 40%, 40 to 42% will be completed. Correct, sir? After that, we'll do permissions. Permissions will do. Got my point, sir? Don't miss the classes. People who are not coming on Saturday or Sunday, tell me clearly now. I know, don't, sir. I don't know. Please tell me. Who are not coming on Saturday, Sunday? You have no one lifted hand. If anyone is missing, I can remember. Please. Don't feel like I'm doing like cool. It's good for because one topic you miss, sir, you'll not get a continuity. One class miss ಆದರೆ continuity ನಿಮಗೂ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡದೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮಗೂ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Understand my point, sir? Correct? Please dedicate that time. I'm not telling you get very much focus. I think daily 1 or 2 hours. That's enough. No need to be very much 5 to 6 hours. No need to study. 1 and 2 hours if you study, practice, that's more than enough. Please be available for the class. I can understand the emergency situation. You need to watch recording. That's okay. But Saturday, you don't skip the classes. That's good. Doing watching recording one. Doing class 50%, 60% will be clarified. Another 40% go on verify the class. You won't. Correct? Please be regular. Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, energy. Okay, sir. We can wind up. We'll meet tomorrow at the same timing.